I just picked up a set of new floor liners for my Duramax, Lasfit Floorliners. We're going to install them. I'm going to show you how easy the process is, how well they fit, and whether or not. Let's go. Alright, so here it is. There's not much of the open box, of course, the floor mats. You just pull them out and you're done. Front are in the center. And the back is right here. It does give you some directions on how to fold it and so on. I do call out, it does have these little pegs, if you will, to keep it from sliding around. So Lasfit uses that 3D technology to ensure a tight fit, and you can just tell, like, these haven't even laid down yet, and it went in just like a glove. Like, look at that. And the thing I like about it, that will lay down better, but versus the OEM is actually two pieces in the back that have like a puzzle here to put together, if you will. And let me take you to the other side. This just fits like a glove. So like, here's the other side as well. Again, it's popped up a little bit right now. This will lay down, but what I want to show you is how well it fits up here. You can't get any closer than that, but look at the back side. So again, it will tuck down a little bit once it relaxes. It's brand new, just came out of the box and was folded up, but it looks great as well. Pop these seats down, and I think it just matches the my interior really well. So let's get the front ones in. Has that nice Lasfit logo on it. Is it Lasfit, Lasfit, Loose Fit? What is it? You tell me in the comments down below. Anyway, let's get this thrown in here. Again, on the back side, it has these pegs too. Keeps it from without sliding in your vehicle. Again, that fits just perfect. So if you're wanting something easy to clean, that looks clean in your truck, this is a great choice. I go try on the passenger side. And again, it's got the little hook here as well, and lines up just perfectly to every edge of your truck. Look around here, even up there. And it will lay down better. So anyways, let me know if you'd like to see something different about the floor liners by Lasfit. Thought they contoured very well. Stand behind my truck because guess what? About to take this load off. I have a Lasfit bed liner on this truck. I'll do a video and a review up here of that. If there's anything else you want to see, drop a comment down below. I do want to say thanks for your support, thanks for watching, and y'all have an awesome day.